I'm dipping in my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven.
What's up, y'all? This your boy LS7 Rod 255. You tune in for another one. Just out here. I need some more transmission fluid. Did a little bit reading up, and that seemed to be the main cause of why shit like don't want to shift out the other gears and shit. I'm hoping that's what it is. I did lose quite a bit of fluid when it tipped over. I put like damn near 5 gallons in that bitch, but apparently that wasn't enough. So what I didn't want to do was overfill it. You know what I'm saying? Because then you gotta drop the pan and all that shit. So gonna add some more fluid, you know, and see if we can get some different results. It also was acting a little crazy when I put it in park, like bogging down and shit. So I left the battery disconnected for about 24 hours, and then hook it back up and see what it do. So, yep. So let me put this fluid in here, man, and then we'll get back to it. We still have not, well, not we, I, unless y'all just want to be part of the team, I have not yet put, and that might be sufficient to put the fluid in it. So, hang tight, and we'll go from there. So we can get our handy dandy filler thingamajigabobber. Actually, would probably help if the engine was running, so that fluid can get off into the torque converter. And it's crazy because, like, with these, actually, the more and more that you change stuff, work on these cars, the more you kind of just know the bolt sizes by heart, especially that battery. That's an 8mm all day long, baby. All day long. So what I'm doing is I'm adding, this is like a gallon, so it's going in like without a problem. It ain't backfiring and none of that shit. So if this shit took a whole gallon by itself, that might be part of the problem. So now we're gonna tighten up the bolt and we're gonna put connect the battery back to it and then start it up, see it up. But I'm pretty sure that 1 gallon of fucking fluid, I'm pretty sure that just made a fucking difference. I ain't think the whole fucking gallon was gonna go. God damn. The whole gallon, baby? The whole gallon, baby? And then there was something else that I noticed, is that the battery terminal seemed to be a little bit loose. Like, it was on there, but it wasn't like on there, like tight as it could be. So that might have had something to do with like the engine bogging down or something. I don't know, for real, for real. Like with my background in computers and shit, you know what I'm saying, I feel like I'm able to troubleshoot things, but I'm not like no mechanic. And I keep saying it, right? So I want people to know that I'm not out here faking and frauding like I'm a mechanic. I'm just a dude that thought it'd be cool to do an LS swap and see what happens. So let me get my keys. Yeah, let me get my keys and then get it started up and everything. Alright, so we put that 5 gallons in there. I don't know if that's gonna be enough. We probably might need to come back and put another gallon or 2 in there. The car act like it want to cut off. And I don't know why. But it's only when it's in. Yeah, see, I don't know exactly what that is. Like before, it was like okay, but now it's like anyway. The main thing for me is just to make sure this motherfucker shifts. I think I might got like feel like a vacuum, maybe. Make sure this motherfucker shift a second. There you go, finally. It took a minute to shift a second. I wonder what that is. It didn't seem to do that the first time when we test drove it, so. I mean, it's all part of working out the kinks and shit. I'm with it. I'm gonna go around the block one more time. See, like now it's like just creeping and shit. And act like we wanna die. I put it in park. I can rev it up. And then I can go. I say it's something. I'm not exactly sure, but we're gonna figure it out. That shit's acting like it do not want to shift, boy. gotta drop that. If something gotta be dropped again, I'm taking that bitch to the shop. Just because they got like a better selection of tools. I don't know what it is. Oh shit. See, now I act like it's not getting no fuel and shit, so I don't know. We're gonna figure shit out. That's what we do, baby. We identify the problem, identify the weakness, and we make it our strength. So y'all keep doing the damn thing. I'm gonna see what's going on with this shit. I would say I would check it out right now, but I'm not. I got a photo shoot to go do. So I just wanted to see if it was gonna roll. It was gonna be a little better. I was saying what the situation was gonna be. So it seems to respond a little better. Transmission fluid definitely helped, but I think it still needs some more. So it's your boy Ellis Chevrolet 254 signing off. Gone.